Reduce back and forths by setting clear submission requirements when it comes to reimbursements on RAM. In this video, we will configure the expense requirements policy for reimbursements so every submission includes what finance and accounting need. Head to your policy tab on the left-hand side here, and then you're going to click into Expense Requirements. From here, you'll click into Edit under your default policy. Looking at the second box here, start by deciding when receipts are required. Many teams require receipts and memos to be submitted for out-of-pocket reimbursement requests. Memos are helpful for context like the business purpose or name of the client. It is a freehand text field. Finally, you can set expectations for other requirements such as coding. If you want every out-of-pocket reimbursement to include coding, you can require those fields after you connect your accounting system. You can also change any incorrect coding before syncing or exporting it into your accounting system through your accounting tab. All you'll have to do to enable any coding is to click this plus button here and then scroll down, and you can require things like the chart of accounts to be coded or other specific fields. If you're planning on using mileage reimbursements, you will need to create a step for it separately. Click on these three dots here, click duplicate, click this edit sign, switch this from out of pocket to mileage, and click save. Review the required fields here, as most businesses do not require receipt submissions for mileage, as it can be difficult to acquire a receipt for gas. So you could go ahead and click on this trash can icon to get rid of that as a required field, and you could leave a memo, and you could also require them to code to the chart of accounts. If you click the plus sign here, you'll see a couple of other options, such as requiring the location, which card was used, the trip that it was used for, and you could also require, if there were any attendees, to list it out. Otherwise, these will all show as optional fields. Once your policy looks good here, you can click Save Workflow on the top right. Once submission requirements are set, the next step is setting up how requests route for review and approval.